Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this short video I will show you how to install Mongo database into Windows 10. First I will Google MongoDB Windows 10 and I will click on the first tutorial that comes from the Google. Now I will scroll down to the Install MongoDB Community Edition tutorial. So the first step is to download the installer. So I'll click on MongoDB Download Center. Here I will choose the newest version and I will use the Windows and I will download MSI package. So now the installer was downloaded into my stack folder. So I will double click on the Windows installer and I will go through the installation wizard. Here I want to go to the custom option because I want to define where I want to install the Mongo database. I don't want it to be installed into the default Windows folder. I want it to be installed into super fast SSD disk I have dedicated just for my production stack. So I will choose the folder, click OK, and I want to install it all. So I will click next. And I want to keep install MongoDB as a service so it is available for other computers in the network. In this step, I want to keep all the default settings untouched. I will just rename the data directory path and also log directory path, and I will click next. It seems like the installation requires me to close Firefox OBS and OBS MUX, which means that I won't be able to complete this video. So I choose do not close this application. I will choose to reboot later. Click OK. Right, it seems that it's finished. So I will confirm the finish option and it tells me to restart my system for the configuration changes. And I will do the restart later. Okay, now, and if I want to test that my Mongo database is correctly installed, I will use one of the best Mongo database collection browser. This is a free software that you can download yourself. It's called Studio 3D. So I will click on the icon, open the software, and here I will just want to click to connect. And I have a connection prepared. It's called prod because it's my production environment. DB server is localhost and it is connecting into a default Windows Mongo database port. And if I click connect, you see that I'm connected to my production Mongo database server. So you can see that I have some default collections that were created with the Mongo database installation. In this software, you can also create your new collection by yourself. You just need to click into the collection itself and click add collection. Name it, for example, test. Click on create and you will see that a new test collection was created into the local collection. So that will be it. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Write in the comment below if you have any issues. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.